Hello guys, in this video we are going to know about double exposure and how it works. And this is our model. Now let us give some attractive effects and double exposure to this image to get a creative look like this. So guys, if you still not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get all our notifications. Without wasting any time, let's move on to the video. Welcome back guys, this is our home page. Now go to the Snapseed app, click on the plus mark and select the photo which one do you want to edit. Yes, this is our model. And now select the tools and select here the tune image, click on that. Now directly I am going to the saturation, increase the level of saturation, and next increase the level of ambience. Yes, click on the right mark. Here the background is okay, but our model also get affected by saturation and ambience. So I am going to remove that. Click on the arrow mark. Now select the view edits here. Select the tune image. Click on the brush and start brushing on the model where it's affected. Once it's done, click on the right mark and go back. Now again select the tools, go to the portrait, select the portrait here. Here I am going to select the suitable filter and increasing the space, spotlight and skin smoothing. Also bit increasing the eye clarity and click on the right mark. Again go to the tools, select the vintage here, click on the vintage and here also select the suitable filter. Now adjust the filters. Once it's done, click on the right mark. Now image is ready with the effects. Now let us add the double exposure. First click on the export and save this image. Once the image is saved to our gallery, click on the tools, go to the double exposure, click on that, tap on the add photo, select the image you recently saved, click on that, adjust this image in the perfect frame. When the image gets adjusted in the frame, click on the opacity, increase the level of opacity and click on the right mark. But here our main model is disappear. But don't worry guys, click on the above arrow mark, select the view edits and select the latest double exposure, click on the brush mark. Increase the level of double exposure till 100 and start brushing in the frame. Once the brushing is done, click on the right mark. You observe here, we added another frame in our main frame. Go back and select the tools again. Do the same process what we did at the last. Select the image, and adjust in the frame. Increase the level of opacity, click on the right mark. Again go to the arrow mark, click on the view edits, select the latest double exposure and start brushing in the frame. Once it's done, click on the right mark and save this image to your gallery. Yes, the image is saved. So guys, this is all about double exposure and how it works. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit on the like button.